Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Westjet gift card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, after that, what you need to do is go and log into Westjet or register if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the flights, vacation offers, and we have the book a flight option where you can go and actually book a flight of your own. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile where you can also click on view account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Westjet gift card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and only of course sign in and create your Westjet rewards account or continue as a guest. Here you have the rewards, as you can see, where you can click on there. And now guys, search for and select your flights and continue to the payment step. Then you will be given the option to add your gift card as form of your payment. So basically when you go here and as you can see in the booked flight, find a flight, go and proceed to the payment section. You can go and then choose the gift card option. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.